A shortcut I want to share with you guys is based off of your difference of squares. So as you can see, a squared minus b squared, e ends up factoring into a plus b, a minus b, but where can we utilize this outside of factoring? Well, one of the things that you guys have been exposed to is your conjugate pairs. So like if you know that one of your roots is 2 minus I, then you also know that you should have a root of 2 plus I. So how does that work when we're trying to find maybe an equation of a quadratic or polynomial with this idea? So those two roots that I created were called conjugate pairs. And if we were to try to create the polynomial that those came from, we can do foiling. But who wants to do x times x times -2, and so on and so forth? It can kind of get a little messy. So what happens is these are actually a difference of two squares, where we have a plus b and a minus b. So if we bring these together, we don't have to FOIL. Well, we may have to FOIL a little bit, but this ends up actually becoming a squared minus b squared. So instead of FOILing out everything, you end up creating this. So then we get something that looks like this, where we can avoid all the extra i's. And we realize I squared, if you guys have taken Algebra 2 at any level, then you know that I squared's value is -1. So then this changes into subtracting a -1. So the polynomial that has the roots of 2 plus or minus I ends up being x squared minus 4x plus 5. And if you're not sure, you can always work backwards and try to solve this.